Alright, example 2. It says Brisbane is located at 27 degrees 27 degrees south, 153 degrees east, and Perth is located 31 degrees south and 115 degrees east. Okay, so Brisbane is right there, and Perth is way over here, and we put an arrow towards both of them. So it says, what is the longitude difference between Brisbane and Perth? Well, we have Brisbane's longitude, let's write them down. Brisbane longitude is 153 degrees east, and Perth longitude is 115 degrees east. So the difference between them, we just have to do a subtraction. 153 minus 115. We can just grab our calculators if you want and do that, or you can do it in our head, depending on how we're feeling. So 153 minus 115 equals 38 degrees. Okay, so the answer is, what is the difference in longitude between Brisbane and Perth? It is a 38 degree difference. 38 degree difference. Okay, now which city is closer to the equator? Well, let's think about what we've got. We've got equator, which means we need to work out north or south, because north or south is closer to the equator. Which direction? Well, it doesn't matter which direction, it's which degrees. So again, here's a map of the world. Quick map of the world, sketching. Okay, here's our equator, E for the equator, that's at 0 degrees. Now, let's look at our latitudes. We have got Perth at 31, so let's put a line here at 31 degrees south. Okay, and here we've got Brisbane is lying along the 27 degree one, so Perth is lying along there, 27 degrees. If you want to put these ones in, you can put these ones in, but it's not really relevant to our question. We've got 115 degrees east, so that's where Perth is. Is it 31 degrees? Yes, that's where Perth is. P for Perth. 153 degrees east and 27 south, that's where Brisbane is. Here's our equator, so you can see from our diagram here that Brisbane is closer to Perth to the equator. Okay, but the important numbers you need to look at is Brisbane was 27 degrees south, Perth was 31 degrees south. The larger the number, the larger the degree, means the further you are away from the equator. Okay, so 27 is closer because it's closer to 0, and 0 is the equator. Alright, so the number closest to 0 would be the number closest to the equator. So which city? We would say it's Brisbane.